Best baby food processor. Number 5. Loveloop Royal Steamer and Blender. Ideal for baby food. Approx price 3999 rupees. Steams and blends baby food. Retains nutrients. Easy to operate, clear markings for food preparation. Multiple blending options. Food ready sound indicator. Auto shut off. Number 4. Mimi baby food maker and processor. Approx price 609 rupees. Ergonomically designed. Made of high quality non-toxic material. Safe, hygienic and travel friendly. Number 3. Kedale baby food processor with grinder. Approx price 5299 rupees. Multifunction steam. Hustle free service. Made of food grade material. Baby food mesher has auto shut off and anti-dry protection. Baby food blender has split steaming basket design. Number 2. Biba baby cook solo 4-in-1 baby food processor. Approx price 13,553 rupees. 4-in-1 food processor that steams. Built-in water dosing device on the bowl. Excel capacity of 1100 ml bowl. Automatic stop with sound and light signal. Number 1. Loveloop Regal Advanced Plus Baby Food Processor. Approx price 4870 rupees. Steams and blends baby food, retains nutrients. Advanced touch screen digital display. Clear time markings for food preparation. Easy to operate touch screen for precise operation. Food ready sound indicator. Auto cleaning and sterilizing option. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.